Good morning, class of 2020. Congratulations on making it to the final day of your senior year. I have a brief thought to share with you. Though your class will be forever linked to COVID-19 and the loss of senior spring, it in no way defines you, nor should it define you as a class. In the history of the Benjamin School, the class of 2020 will always be linked to the definition of excellence, with character and high achievement second to none. Congratulations, well done, good luck.
Thank you, Mr. Reed, and I am now going to introduce a special alumni guest who is here to wish you well.
Hey everybody. For those of y'all who don't know me, my name is Martin Weiss, class of 2018 graduate here at the Benjamin School, former student council president and current University of Virginia football player. I ask you to please excuse my lack of haircut and beard trim, as I'm sure you all know all barbershops are closed during quarantine and we're all struggling right now. I'm just here congratulating you guys on your upcoming graduation from Benjamin. I know that all of you guys have worked so hard over these past 4 years at the upper school, and all that hard work is starting to pay off. I've been following your college matriculation list very closely, and I've been seeing some outstanding things. So, great job, guys. You guys have been doing great. I just wanted to share a quick message with you guys. One thing that our coaches up at UVA always try to bestow upon us is the value of adversity. I'm sure you guys hear this word adversity and think, oh, it's just a hard thing or an obstacle in life. But what I've learned throughout my time at Benjamin as well as UVA is that adversity is what builds character. Adversity is not just an obstacle, it's an opportunity. And the way that you turn that adversity from an obstacle to an opportunity is the way that you attack it. What this country is going through right now, what you guys as a class is going through right now, is a textbook definition of adversity. None of you asked to have your senior prom canceled. None of you asked to have your graduation plans, your baccalaureate plans hindered by this pandemic. But like I said earlier, adversity builds character, and you have to make that obstacle your opportunity. Adversity is not something that you can simply jump over or duck under. It is something that you have to push right through in order to be successful. I truly credit my time at Benjamin for preparing me for all of life's adversities, as well as getting ready for my college experience. As I'm sure most of y'all know, the University of Virginia is an excellent school, both academically and athletically, and I'm deeply thankful to the Benjamin School for getting me more than ready for my college experience. Once again, I just wanted to congratulate everybody for becoming Benjamin's graduating class of 2020. I know you guys are going to do spectacular things with your careers in the future, so please keep in touch, and I can't wait to see. Go Bucks.
Thank you, Martin. Great to see you and to hear from you, and thanks for those wonderful words. And I know, too, that we have some faculty members from the upper school who are very excited to also wish you well, seniors, so here goes.
In these extraordinary times, we are all called upon to do things we normally would never even think of doing. Seniors, this one's for you.
Seniors, we miss you more than you know, and we can't wait to hear what happens next. Wishing you all the best.
Seniors, don't forget to brush your hair, your teeth.
Good advice from a 5-year-old.
Congratulations, class of 2020. I can't wait to see where your journey takes you. Go Bucks.
Hi, this is Ms. Cardillo, wishing all the seniors the very best for next year and all your years to come.
Bye, seniors.
Hey seniors, I'm so proud of you all, and I'm blessed to have taught you this year at Benjamin. So now go out and conquer the world. Congratulations!
Best of the luck, my Chinese students and yoga students and all of the seniors. 你们都是非常好的学生。It's a joy to have all of you. 祝你好运. Good luck.
Class of 2020, especially my BTV crew, good luck. You will be missed.
I'm outside, it's late at night, I'm on tape 75. I really want to let you know that I've enjoyed teaching you. You will be missed. Please come and visit. I'll be looking forward to seeing you. Bye.
To the class of 2020, congratulations on all your accomplishments. I'm going to miss you guys a lot.
Hi seniors, happy last day to my favorite class of all time. I miss you so much, and this is not an official goodbye. This is I will see you soon.
To the seniors, happiness, success, love, and good luck be with you always.
Hola seniors, wishing you a bright and happy future. Keep your feet on the ground, keep reaching for the stars. Buena suerte.
Farewell, class of 2020. We will miss you so much.
Congratulations, class of 2020.
Class of 2020, we love you, we miss you. Go Bucks!
Bye, seniors. Best of luck and welcome to the Benjamin's Alumni Club.
Love you, TBS, class of 2020. Congratulations.
You can't change the wind, but you can always adjust your sails to get to your destination. Best of luck to the class of 2020.
Congratulations, seniors, and be kind.
Hey, seniors, you did it. You made it. Congratulations. Celebrating you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All the best.
Farewell, seniors.
Hi, guys. This isn't goodbye. This is good luck. Go forth and conquer.
Miss you, love you, best of luck, best of life, class of 2020.
Seniors, just want to say good luck in this new and interesting era.
Hi, seniors. I miss you so much, but I'm so proud of you. Good luck.
Congratulations, seniors. Good luck.
This is your last math lesson. Every year for the past 4 years, you've been trying to find X. Well, here it is.
Class of 2020, best of luck in college and beyond. Go Bucks!
Congratulations, class of 2020. We love you guys.
Hey Bucks, just wanted to say congratulations and best of luck in your future. We know you're going to do great things.
Class of 2020, you are the carriers of everything that matters. We are so proud of you and wish you the best of luck.
Seniors, congratulations, good luck, and love one another as God has loved you. Amen. Go in peace.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. We're really going to miss you guys next year. Wish you the best.
Good morning, this is Mr. Didsbury. I want to wish the seniors the very, very best as they move on to college and their futures. I have the greatest hopes for each one of you. But as you go, remember one thing. You don't leave Benjamin, you take it with you.
Thank you, faculty. And speaking of faculty, we will miss particularly 3 faculty who are on their way after this year, after wonderful careers here at the upper school, Mr. Durang, Mr. Didsbury, and Mr. Bazar. So farewell to you, and thanks for all your work with not only the senior class, but also all classes here at the upper school. Now, speaking to one particular faculty member, I'd like to introduce Ms. Ford.
It is a privilege to present this year's edition of the yearbook titled Behind the Scenes to the class of 2020. It is filled with highlights of school events that I'm sure will bring back fantastic memories for all of you. A significant part of the yearbook tradition is the dedication. This year's book is dedicated to somebody who has spent his entire life in education. While his roles may have changed, his sense of commitment, enthusiasm, and dedication have all remained constant. Mr. Didsbury has worked for the Benjamin School for 19 years and in education for a total of 49 years. We congratulate him and wish him well in his new endeavor, retirement. I look forward to passing the book to Mr. Didsbury and all of you very soon. I want to thank the yearbook staff who worked tirelessly to create a book worthy of representing you and Buck pride. Go Bucks!
Thank you, Ms. Ford, and congratulations, Mr. Didsbury, on that incredible honor. We're going to miss you very much. And now, a special surprise from the class of 2020, and a big thanks to Nicholas Lama for orchestrating this, and enjoy.
Dear Benjamin, today was supposed to be our last day of high school.
Our shirt signing.
Our lake jump.
Our chance to say goodbye to the place we call home. Needless to say, a global pandemic kind of got in the way of that.
And although it is sad that we might not get a chance to make those memories, it's important to remember all the memories we have made with each other over the last 4 years.
They're ours forever, and no pandemic can take that away.
We made this video as our final farewell to Benjamin, to all the memories and moments we've shared together, and all the connections we've made.
No matter what, we will always be the TBS Class of 2020.
345,600 minutes.
That's how long we've been on the Benjamin Upper School path. 345,600 minutes.
We don't need Mr. Ruggie to do the math.
In block days, in bell rings, inside outs,
and in volley slips,
in far sides, in bucklinks,
or college counseling for candies.
345,600 minutes.
345,000 moments so dear.
345,600 minutes.
How do you measure the life of a
buck a year?
Though COVID-19
took our senior year,
we can still reminisce about memories here.
We almost won states,
but we had lots of fun.
I helped you pass your tests,
and I was your president. 345,600 minutes. That's like watching BTV 2 million times.
We will miss
TBS
from fight to Harry.
Let's celebrate, remember for years of class of 2020.
Remember to remember to don't remember to come.
From all of us
to all of you.
Thank you for the memories.
Thank you, seniors. That was definitely a memory. And now we'll conclude, as we always do, with the alma mater. Seniors, we wish you all the best. Thank you for all you've done for the upper school, and until we meet again.
When the sun breaks free of the sea.